Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BikeMap. You will go to settings as you see and you will click. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of BikeMap. And you will click here as you see. Then you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end we click on clear cache here as you see. In the first story we will go to storage and then we click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by liking.